Attention, attention, attention. Just got this. I didn't get a chance to go through all of the spikes this morning through the Ultranet system. The Ultranet technology systems are doing a handshake program on Wednesday. The Ultranet Technologies systems are doing a handshake project. It's a confirmation of all links on Wednesday. Now, this is a light-up. This means everything will be on. Even the stuff that's on standby. The idea is that when the bad guys shut off the Internet or just try to do damage to the infrastructure or try to cut everybody off, it's obvious by what some of our communications people are saying is that it's most likely that the bad guys are going to try this. They're already talking about the Australian gun grab. To do that, they have to try and isolate. That's not going to happen. Signal communications need to be the priority. So Ultranet Technologies on Wednesday, starting at 0600 hours, we'll be doing a complete light-up of the independent system, of its independent system. This is not to be confused with Hallmark or Golden Spike. So Ultranet Technologies will be doing a light-up, and this is a system test. We haven't done this in probably a couple of years. We haven't felt it necessary, but the bad guys are stirring the pot, and that means we need to be ready for war. So signal communications, the ability to continue to function because we're not in their system. You know, one thing about all of these independents where it's an invite thing, you're brought in, you know, we refer people, they do a check, they decide whether or not they want to, link that node or group up, and there's still 100,000 other little factions out there. I won't say they're not opposition. They're just little groups of people that have gotten together and made their own Wi-Fi, their own independent Internet, not using standard Wi-Fi frequencies. They're cabling themselves up. I'm doing something like that for somebody down the road with all the donated cable and stuff that we found that the, communications people are dumping. And we're making a little hub and teaching everybody, hey, you guys are going to have to make it work. But the idea behind it is a separate system with separate computers. Guys, you can lay with all the garbage spyware and junk that wastes Internet bandwidth. It's the spy rat garbage that really mucks with your computer. As far as, what is my computer slow? Everybody's is. We need bigger and bigger computers to service the rat spyware. It has nothing to do with better performance. It's because of wasted dead wood called government. A non-producing maggot / a leech on America's mechanism of production. Across the board. It's always the same communist punks, always the same failures, always the same BS. And these spy organizations are the same thing. Non-producers, purely waste our time, two dots in the snowbank basically for eyes. And again, worthless. But once you're off that, man, the 386 will run faster than your late Pentiums would. Seriously. Without all the spy garbage on board. So start building your own. In other words, find 5 or 6 friends, experiment, go to a hamfest, buy some cable, get some Ethernet technology. Start building your own. Don't use a computer that's on the Internet. Build another computer up that is totally separate. You're going to go, wow, I can talk to Frank. And it's like I'm right there in the room with him, and I don't have all this lag and delay and, hesitation and flags and cookies, and all that garbage is gone. We can build. In fact, we've already been building a replacement for the Internet. You guys need to make it happen, but y'all need to have some discipline as adults. That's what people are watching for. There's a lot of adults out there, and they're already doing it. What I mean by adult is no emotion, stay focused, and you have to have the discipline to completely isolate your system from all of the garbage from the rat spies.